Nature is a space that doesn't judge. It's a space that grounds. It's a space of safety. It is always there for you when you need to regulate your nervous system, when you need to feel connected to something. It is there for you to merge with nature and become one and feel the power of the moment, of the surroundings. It's incredible when you actually attune your body, your sensations to nature and actually feel the sunlight, feel the wind, feel the ground beneath your feet. It is so magical. It is so comforting. It produces so many happy chemicals and grounding chemicals. And if you take 5-10 minutes out of your day to really experience the magic of nature,